Today you've got $1 to buy Bitcoin, but you smash it all in one market order, and the price instantly crashes because of you. In seconds, you've lost thousands in slippage, and your mentality just implodes, right? The smart money never does that. They use TWAP, time-weighted average price. You spread the order over time so the market fills you bit by bit and you get something close to the average price. No smash, no crash. On 1024EX, you just tell AgentX you want a TWAP. It writes the strategy for you. I'll show you how. Head to 1024EX and open AgentX. That's where you talk to the trading agent. All you say is something like, help me place a TWAP order, or I want a TWAP strategy for buying something. That's it. One line. AgentX will ask you to confirm the details. Which market, which side, buy or sell, total size, and over how long. You answer in plain language. AgentX takes it from there. It writes the strategy and gets it ready. You just watch. No clicking through wizards, no forms. When you're happy with the result, one click to deploy. Your TWAP RT strategy goes on-chain. Done. That's 1024EX. Try it on mainnet alpha. Tell AgentX you want a TWAP at 1024EX. Say your line and see what AgentX ships.